When you log into your account, go to Settings and Custom Fields. Right here, you can click on Add Custom Field, give it a name, for example, certification. System name will automatically be populated by the label name, but you can classify it as you wish. It's not a necessity. Custom field type. Now, when it comes to the type, you have multiple ones that you can choose from. So, for example, text, if you wish to enter information yourself, integer, if the value provided is a number 0, 1, 2, etc. Decimal number, for example, use usually compensation, something money related, date, single select dropdown, and multi-select dropdown. For example, I'm going to choose single. I'm going to say certification. I would like to know, does the employee have a certification or not? I would like to enable this because I would like to know the history change, and this is related to the employee. So I'm just going to say save. Now, if we go back to the grid and I go to any of my employees, go to the custom fields section, my custom field will be present and I can select information for this particular employee. This info is going to automatically be saved, and if this will be changed in the future, if you go here on this icon, you will see what has changed and who changed it. Thank you.